I'm Brenton Haynes. Today we're out in Littleton and Roxborough, and we're checking out the Taylor Morrison. This is the Telluride. Let's go take a look and let's talk about it. Come on in. So come in, we got an office. We got our powder bath. We got some great laminate flooring. So as an investor, do new builds make a great investment? They can be, but it's all on how you negotiate that deal. But before we talk further, I want you to check out this big, great room. Do you think tenants would like this? Do you think this would rent fast? I think it would. I think some tenants really love the novelty of that new home smell, the new appliances being the first one to live in it. I like to cash in on that novelty. Is this a great place to park some of my cash instead of buying another type of property? Is it going to appreciate well in value? What is my maintenance going to look like on a new build? Let's go up and talk a little bit more as we go upstairs. Check out this 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath home. It's got a 3-car garage, but it's tandem. So if you've got a nice limousine business, you can park it in the garage. So if we head this way, we got 3 bedrooms, full bath. We got a typical nice deep linen closet. We got a really nice upstairs laundry room. Okay, let's go take a peek at one of those bedrooms. They're all the same. Okay, remember, we're not moving in. We want to rent this bad boy out. Let's go check out the master. Master's got a really nice setup. We've got a recessed ceiling in here. So I have a client. She's got a particular name for these lights. What do you think she calls them? Yeah, she calls them boob lights. I wonder why. So here, check out this 5-piece bath. It's nice. It's no frills. We got standard contractor white tile. It's good though. It's in good condition. Everything in here is new. That's what I love about the new builds and buying them as investments. But do they make sense? Well, one of the key things we want to make sure is we got a good builder manufacturer warranty on it. That's going to keep some of our big major systems down. Okay, like we got a new HVAC, new roof, new flooring. As long as our tenant doesn't trash it and we get a good deal on these builds. Now with this whole COVID, things could be changing. I think there's going to be some opportunities in these new builds for investors. So let me know what you think. Be sure to click like, subscribe to my channel, and check out some of my other new builds as well. And check out some of my other offerings that I got out there. So have a great day, guys. We'll see you later.